Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can easily create a blurry background in CapCut. So here, I've already opened my video in CapCut, and what you need to do is just change the aspect ratio first. So I'm going to use the 1:1 or Instagram post format like this. Okay, so you can see the background is currently black color, and to change it into a blurry background, first go to the background option and here choose blur and just choose the blur intensity between these four options provided by CapCut. I'm going to go with the fourth one like this, and you are done. So you'll get a blurry background like this. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.